Hello sweet cupids and welcome to my YouTube channel Knowing an Angel. Please, I am super happy and super excited because today we're gonna be playing with a beautiful collection from Morphe. Yes, we're gonna be playing with that Coca-Cola X Morphe collection. So stay tuned baby because I'm gonna be giving you the swatches, the sample of the colors, the lip glasses. I'm gonna show you the brushes. Well, let's say no more and let me show you the palette, the lip glasses and everything up, and let's start with this cute Coca-Cola look. Oh my god. As you can see, cutie patooties, look at this collection, how beautiful it is. The Morphe Coca-Cola collection. Oh my god. Wow, that's the brushes. Ooh, super cute. And this is, of course, the beautiful palette. Ooh, look at those colors. I love it. And of course, this is the lip glasses, which I love it. Look at these colors. So shiny, so beautiful. Ooh, look at that red. Straight up tapping. Oh! And of course, I love this one because it's super natural and super glittery. Oh my god, glittery. And of course, this is the cute Coca-Cola brushes. And let me tell you, they are so beautiful. I love them. Okay, so we're gonna start putting a little cute primer so we can prep our cute face. Now we're gonna use our cute eye primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ooh, look at these brushes. Okay, now I'm getting my cute palette from Tarte and I'm using the shadow, the black one, so we can do my cute eyebrows. Loves it. Now I'm getting this cute brush and we're gonna start with the colors. I'm gonna start with this cute color. It's called Recognize. I'm gonna use it as a base. And right after, I'm gonna use this beautiful color, which is called Energetic. I love the colors. Look at this color, super beautiful. Now I'm getting this other cute brush. And we're gonna use this beautiful red, which is called Good and Red. Oh my god, I love it. Good and Red, honey. And trust and believe, it was super cute and red. Now we're gonna get this other red, which is called Always Bright, which loves it. And this one, it looks like super red. So now I'm getting a little bit more of eye primer and I'm doing my cute cut crease. Thank you. And I'm gonna use this beautiful color, which is a glitter. It's called Happiness, honey. Let's put some happiness on those eyelids. Oh my god. Now I'm getting this other one, which is Pop Culture. It's a red glitter. Okay, now I'm getting this beautiful, shiny, beautiful blue, which is called Cold Story. And let me tell you, honey, it was a beautiful cold story. I mean, cool story, not cold stories, cool story. Now I'm getting this beautiful color, which is called Peace, which I feel like it's kind of like a highlighter. And let me tell you, it was super beautiful and straight up tapping. And I'm putting it right on my brow bone. Loves it. Now I'm going back to the cute Pop Culture, the red glitter, with my cute pinky, and I'm putting a little bit right in the corner of my cute eye. Cause honey, I was like, let me make this eyes pop. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite eyeliner from Tarte. Loves it. It's hot. Oh my god. Hashtag love you Paris. So I decided to do my eyeliner because I was, honey, I need to put some drama into these eyes. And trust and believe, I ended up putting a lot of drama. Oh my god. Lobster. And now I'm using my cute foundation from Wonder Beauty, which I love, one of my favorite foundations, which I got it on my Baxi Charm. Ooh. And of course I'm getting my cute wet beauty sponge. Now I'm putting a little bit more of eye primer around my cute eyes and all the areas that you're trying to illuminate. Now a little bit of setting powder, because honey, trust and believe, we need to set it up. Now I'm putting this cute mascara for my eyebrows. Ooh, a little bit of setting spray, honey. Just trust and believe, things are getting hot over here. Okay, now we're gonna curl our cute eyelashes. Loves it. We're gonna use a little bit of our mascara from Ruby May. Oh my god, which I love. Ooh. And a little bit in my eyebrows. Oh my god, look at these beautiful lashes. Wow, so freaking beautiful. I love it. They were so big, so beautiful. Now, City Bronzer from Maybelline. Oh my god. Honey, trust and believe, we're gonna shape up this cute face. Now we're gonna use this beautiful highlighter and blush palette, which I love. There you go, a little bit of the cute highlighter. Oh my god, and I love that. Look at that. OMG. As I said before, honey, if you can see it from space, it ain't working. Oh my god. A little bit in your cute nose to make it super cute. And your lips. And trust and believe, honey, I like to put a lot on my lips because it made them super dramatic. A little more of setting spray. This beautiful liquid lipstick from Tarte, which I love. Look at that color. Wow, love it. Oh my god, my hair, awkward. Okay, a little more of setting spray and I'm ready with the look, honey. Oh! Loves it. Now here we are with the final look. Mwah. Well, my love, I'm finally done with the look. And let me tell you, honey, this look is perfect. Oh! Oh my god! Talk about Morphe Coca-Cola X collection, honey. Everything was perfect, beautiful, sexy, I love it. This is probably one of the best reds I play with. I love the reds, they come out with the reds on point. And they better, honey. Coca-Cola has to be super red. Well, baby, let me tell you, everything was beautiful. I love the palette, I love the collection. Everything was on point. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, babies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you like this video. What else you like to see next. If you have any suggestions, anything that you like to see in personal. Anything that you like to see in general, awkward. Oh my god. Alright, kisses, and I'll see you soon here at this channel, Knowing an Angel.